Hey, Truth Sleuths, Miss Jess here. Since we are mystery-solving detectives, I thought it would be fun to play a mystery sound game with you all. Turn up those listening ears and let's see if you can figure out what's making this sound. What could it be? Let's listen one more time. Do you know what it is?
A dog.
That's right! It's a dog barking. Great job, Truth Sleuths. Let's try one more. This one is extra tricky. I think I'm going to need some extra time to figure this one out. Check out our next video to see what that extra tricky mystery sound is. Bye, Sleuths.